Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be understanding compound interest. And in compound interest we shall understand what to do when your rate is compounded half yearly or annually or quarterly. So before we start, let me tell you that I have made one video already on compound interest, and I'll add that link in the description so you can see that video. And soon I shall make one video in Hindi also, so you can, and I'll add that link in the description also, you can watch that if you want to. Now let's understand compound interest. And what to do. So first, let's take an example that you have a principal that is rupees 5,000 and a time period, for example, 5 years, and say your rate percent is equals to 2% per annum. Or wait a minute, actually let me tell you that we know that what will we do if we want to calculate the compound interest. So in the previous video I had told the main concept about compound interest, and that how you can solve it without using the formula by repeating it. So I'll repeat it a little bit today over here also. So the basic thing is that when you have a principal, then first you shall calculate the simple interest for only 1 year. After that you shall take the principal, yes, and then that principal shall be added to the simple interest. What will you get? You get the amount that you already know. And once you get that amount, after that amount you shall take as the principal for the next year. Remember that whenever you are doing PRT upon 100, this t will always remain 1 when we are doing it that way. Okay, then since it is 5 years in this one, you shall repeat the same process 5 times. So okay, let's start now. So alright, so as you can clearly see what I have done here. So we have first taken the formula over here, and yes, remember that I have switched the time and the rate here to make the calculations easier, because to the power n means to the power whatever your years are, that is 2 years in this case. So otherwise you would have to do it to the power 5. So in order to avoid any calculation errors, I just simply took it to be 2. Okay, now remember one thing. In this case, whenever you are doing it, your 5% per annum or the rate is in reality compounded annually. Is compounded annually, which means it's for applicable for one entire year. And what we'll understand here now is that what to do if say it is compounded, say half yearly or quarterly. That is going to be what we shall learn right now. So let's go. In this case, your amount formula shall change slightly. It shall become P, that's the same, and 1 upon 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. This is your formula for when it is compounded annually. When it is compounded half yearly, what you'll do is you shall multiply your n, which in this case is, well, your time, which we have now changed to 1 year, so that the numbers don't come massive and it's easier for you to understand. Okay, and one more thing, whenever you are doing that, your rate shall be divided by 2. Remember, it is being compounded half yearly. Half yearly means, well, it's obvious that it's the half, so your rate shall become half. Now let's go on and solve this thing. So here your amount will be equal to 5,000 in brackets 1 plus r by 2 means, what is the half of 6? It is 3 upon 100 to the power, what is your 2n? Your n is 1, so 2 1 times is 2. Now you shall solve this. So a is equals to 5,000 in brackets, this will be 103 upon 100 to the power 2. Now what you shall do is, alright, so here is your answer. It is 304.5 rupees. So as you can clearly see, then after this step we have clearly followed the same thing that we would if our this would be compounded annually. It's the same thing, and in the end, remember, this is both in the half yearly, annually, and also in the quarterly. Quarterly means 1/4, and that also we'll do right now. This is going to be amount. You are not finding this as your compound interest. So compound interest shall be this minus the principal, that is the amount minus principal. Then you will get the answer. Now let's discuss your quarterly. Alright, so here it is. So here's the formula when it is compounded quarterly. Quarterly means, as you know, it means 1/4. So when you are doing 1/4, your rate shall be divided by 4, just like in in your half yearly, you divide it by 2. When your to the power n, which is to the power time, in this case 1 year, shall be multiplied by 4, just like in your half yearly, you multiplied it by 2. Let's start doing the working now. So you will do amount is equals to principal is 5,000 in brackets 1 plus r upon 4. 8 by 4 will be 2 upon 100 to the power 4 into 1, that is 4. Now you can solve it and I'll show you. Alright, so your answer is going to be 6765201 upon 1250 rupees. This is going to be your amount, and your compound interest shall be this minus your principal. So hope you like this video. Do share, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye.